Is it leaking? Or is it just feeling? See that when you're tightening those together, they have a, you're puncturing in, you know, like a male to female?
Yeah.
Is that what you're hearing?
I heard a little sis.
Yeah, I said you would.
I didn't hear it on that.
Well, it didn't say every time.
Come on. Okay.
Now, we'll get the soap water. Yeah, I think check it now. And then check it again. I think I read that at one point. Use an Allen wrench to open the valve until it stops turning. That's step 6. Take circulate pressure. Not to exert excessive force on the valve, you may hear a soft hissing sound as slight amount of R410A refrigerant exits the condenser. So it says you may hear a soft hissing.